36 to 199. And throughout the night, as we make these calls, and there is a net gain for either Democrats or Republicans, you'll see it on the board right here, and you can see that net gain for Democrats. Cosmas is just clicking in, and we'll monitor that throughout the night, Britt, and let you know how Nancy Pelosi, the House Speaker, will approach her new Congress come January.
And now you call that thing a board, right?
Yeah, a board.
But
yeah,
there's no wood in that thing, is there?
No, there's nothing here. It's just all make-believe. But I'm doing all right, right?
Yeah, you're pointing all the right places, even though it just looks green to you, right? And then they project it for the rest of us?
Yes.
So actually, we can see what you're doing better than you can. Is that right?
That's exactly right. That's exactly right. So if I'm pointing to the wrong thing,
you got to be a pointer. That's perfect, man. You got this. You know where to point. I love it. Thanks, Brett, very much. Okay. So what are we doing here next now? Oh, we're going to take a break. What could be better? We'll be right back. Stay with us.